In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place trades on TradingView, as well as share some execution hacks using the latest update. Whether you're new to TradingView or just looking to optimize your experience, this guide will walk you through the essentials. First, let's start by navigating to the TradingView website. You'll notice a wide array of financial products right at your fingertips. Here you can explore different markets and communities, an extensive ecosystem designed to meet a variety of trading needs. This platform includes everything from market data to social and educational features. When you're ready to dive into the specifics, notice how you can view diverse products on offer. You have access to stocks, funds, futures, forex, cryptocurrency, indices, bonds, economic data, and even options. This diversity can cater to whether you're focused on a specific sector or looking to diversify your portfolio. Now, let's add a symbol to your watch list. Click on the plus sign, which opens up a universe of symbols. This is your gateway to setting up and personalizing your trading space. For demonstration purposes, let's select Forex. You'll then select a specific Forex pair. In this example, we'll go with USD JPY. Click on the plus sign beside the pair to add it to your list of tracked symbols. Once you've selected USDJP, you'll want to view more detailed data. Click on Full Chart. This will bring you to a comprehensive charting tool, which is one of the crowning features of TradingView. It's here where the magic happens. You can zoom in for more detail or pan out to see larger trends. In this chart, you can fully explore TradingView's powerful features. For instance, you can add various indicators that help analyze market patterns. Think of moving averages or RSI. These tools are vital for making informed trade decisions based on technical analysis. Something else you practice with is the replay function. This is a fantastic tool for revisiting past market conditions and testing strategies as if in a live environment. You can simulate different scenarios to see how your strategies perform over time, adding a layer of preparedness to your trading practice. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of TradingView's drawing tools. You can add trend lines, support and resistance lines, or even utilize Fibonacci retracement levels. These often provide key insight into potential price movements and levels that may be important for future decisions. As you familiarize yourself with these features, you'll find TradingView to be an invaluable ally in your trading journey. It's all about customization and leveraging the available tools to optimize your analysis and execution strategy. That's it for today's guide. Happy trading!